how to enable AirDrop on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your home page here, and then all you have to do is to swipe it here up until you see this control panel. Right now, in your control panel, you'll see a lot of options, and on the upper left here, you'll see these options: the airplane mode option, the data, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth. So all you have to do is to long press on that, and two more options will actually come out. Now, to be able to enable your AirDrop on iPhone, what you're gonna do is to make sure that you have toggled on the Bluetooth. As you can see, once I turned off the Bluetooth, the AirDrop will automatically be turned off too. Now, if you toggle that on, it will turn on. And as you can see, under AirDrop here, you'll see contacts only. Now here, the AirDrop can be only seen by your contacts. So let's say you want to receive an AirDrop from a stranger or for someone that you don't know, then tap on everyone for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, it will automatically turn off. Now, let's say you don't want to turn on your AirDrop, then go to receiving off. But since we want to enable our AirDrop, so let's say you want to receive from a certain someone, then tap on contacts only. And basically that's it. That is how you enable AirDrop on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.